Hi everyone, it's Kristen here with a big exciting launch tonight, and a lot of you have been waiting for our Make It Mine kits. The first ones for 2026 have just launched and I can't be more excited. I've actually been sewing up a storm the last couple of days and I've made one of each to show you guys just how beautiful these blouses are. So if we haven't met yet, my name is Kristen and I have a YouTube channel here all about sewing your own wardrobe with plenty of sewing inspiration. We also have an online store, Dahlia Sewciety, which we sell beautiful fabrics, patterns, monthly themed bespoke boxes and kits, which we launched last year. Now the first kits were back in November and they were a bit of a hit, so we decided to go ahead and bring out another little collection of kits. Now, of course, these are limited numbers as always, so if one of them appeals to you, I wouldn't wait too long because they will be snapped up quite quickly. And the fabrics are so beautiful. We've gone with this really stunning artist collection this time, beautiful viscose fabrics. And the patterns we have chosen are the beautiful Mason Fauve patterns. And I'm sure most of you will remember Mason Fauve, just how gorgeous their envelopes are. So this time for the Make It Mine kits, we've got 3 choices, which is pretty incredible. And one of the boxes has actually a choice of 2 different fabrics. So the one I'm wearing is the Tempet blouse kit. Get 2 meters of viscose fabric. You'll get your invisible zipper, some really great prim machine needles, so matching thread. You'll get that great little bit of woven fusible interfacing there to help you as well. And yeah, you'll get a sweet treat and a cuppa as well. So basically everything you need there to sew up that either top with the sleeveless or the sleeve. So you get 2 meters, which will be enough for either version. Fantastic little pattern. I've got on the sleeveless version and it is so beautiful. I'm so glad I made this. Phoebe and I have been looking at this pattern for a long time now and saying we've got to make that one day. It's so stylish. Has this really lovely neck, like a sort of a cow neck, invisible zipper at the back, and the sleeveless version's got facings, but it's just so lovely. It's got these really nice kind of pleated shoulders, which I'm in love with. And definitely be making that in a long sleeve for heading into autumn, winter, because it's so elegant and beautiful, but really nice as well for wearing, just sort of toning it down to more casual. I've got it on with a pair of crepe wide leg shorts here today, so I'm not sure if you can see these, but basically you could dress this up with a pair of lovely slacks for going out for evening, a blazer, or tone it down with a pair of jeans as well. So that's the Tempet blouse. So this fabric's called Reverie Floreal, and the colours that it comes in is the one I'm wearing, the aqua and green. Oh, this petal print, it's like a pansy fusion. It's beautiful. I had a lot of trouble deciding what colour because I gravitate towards both of these, and I know a lot of people head towards cooler or warmer tones. I generally love all sort of dual tones, whether they be cool or warm. So it's right up my alley, this print. So really lovely viscose. And this colorway is the red and purple, and they've both got black background, but that color, of course, is stunning as well. So these fabrics are only going to be available with the kits, so they're a bit exclusive. So if you love the kits and you love the fabric, it's a great idea to snap up, and you'll have a project there ready. And the great thing also about Mason Fauve patterns is that they have full sew-alongs on YouTube. So you'll get a sew-along to hold your hand right the way through making it from start to finish. And that's exactly what I did. I actually went through the sew-along, sewed each garment up with a sew-along, and of course in French, but it's translated in English. And of course a lot of that's done, some of the translations are a bit of a laugh because sometimes they don't always come across right, but you can get the gist and you can follow along really well. And of course the instruction booklets are also in English. Great instructions, great diagrams as well. But if you prefer a sew-along, you've got the option of using both. And the sew-along for the Tempet on YouTube is for the long sleeve version, and I just followed most of it till I got to the facings and went back to the instructions myself. So that is the other colorway. So really beautiful, both colorways. Absolutely stunning, that box. So yeah, I know a lot of you have been waiting for the kits, and it's a great way of making a project up. And look, to be honest, all 3 patterns are fantastic. I haven't really got a favorite. I love it. It's one of my all-time favorites. It's one of our top selling patterns in the store. But I wanted to try the Palmer because it's a really great beginner pattern. So I love all these, and they're really practical for, you know, alternating through wearing through summer and autumn and even in winter, which is great. I think the post-impressionism sort of theme really comes through, especially with the Van Gogh inspired fabric and the Monet. I just thought it's just so up my street. I cannot tell you how much I'm in love with these fabrics. I was actually going to be choosing one fabric and one pattern, and I couldn't make my mind up. And I thought, you know what, I'll give you guys a bit of choice. So you've got the option of buying, you know, one kit or all 3 if you want to, you know, make one of each. And we tried to make sure we kept it really good value for you guys. We've used really good quality invisible zips. The buttons we've used are little Lise Taylor daisy buttons. The interfacing, if your box, if your pattern has interfacing, you'll get a 40 centimeter piece of interfacing. Some of the patterns don't need interfacing, so some have buttons instead and zippers instead. So you can read on the description of each kit what it includes. So the fusible interfacing is that really nice woven fusible. It's just so lovely to sew with and to iron. To make sure you use your pressing cloth, but it's not that sticky, bubbly, cheap interfacing. It's that really lovely quality. Now the Van Gogh inspired box was at Etoile Nocturne. We just felt this was such a Van Gogh inspired fabric. We absolutely loved it, and I've made the Marissa. Now, I forgot to tell you guys that the size I made for this was a size 40. So that's about a 12 in AU and UK sizes. And I'm really happy I didn't make any more adjustments. I just did it exactly as a pattern. It's got a nice amount of ease through the body as well. Yeah, I made this Marissa. So this Marissa is the Etoile Nocturne box, a Van Gogh box. And the Marissa pattern is fabulous. I talked about before how it was one of our top selling patterns last year. Has this fantastic little keyhole front and inverted pleat back, and with the back you've got the option of just doing it like that box pleat, or you can actually add the little buttons. Now I haven't added the buttons on mine. I was in a bit of a hurry to sew mine up, but you could definitely add on buttons along the back there. And remembering that the back piece is made on the fold, and I actually cut mine and had to put a seam through it because I forgot all about that, but it didn't really matter. You can't really notice it too much. So the front's in 2 pieces, and then you sew the keyhole up basically by pressing in the little side pieces, stitching around it, sewing the front up. Basically, I made all 3 of these tops in a day. That's how simple they were. And I know, and in between that, I went out and did some grocery shopping. So it's just a matter of how quick and easy they are to sew. Mind you, I was sewing till about 10:30 at night, but the fact is that they're simple and easy to sew patterns, and they're really not complicated at all. I love Mason Fauve, how they've got this simple, really classy style to their patterns. And as I said, their pattern envelopes are highly collectible, beautifully put together. Now with the Marissa box, you'll get 1.6 meters of fabric, and that will do all size ranges included in the pattern. It's really easy. There's no set-in sleeves. It's just basically a grown-on sleeve and a little cuff that you turn in and sew on. And it's so simple. And even the piece at the back with the inverted pleat really is quick and easy to make. I love the amount of ease that this top has. And I know it's such a great pattern. My mum actually made 2 of them last year. She did one, I think, one in a block print, one in a viscose, and she even said she loved it. And now this one I made again in the size 40, which is a 12, and it has a lovely breezy amount of ease through the body, perfect length, and great for wearing over jeans as well. They're great to tuck in to a pair of dressier pants as well for wearing out. And they're really good kind of tops for wearing under blazers, so you can layer them throughout the year. So I love this fabric. Absolutely beautiful. So this box, this kit, I should say, you'll get 5 buttons, Lise Taylor daisy buttons, a beautiful purple colour that matches the fabric beautifully. You'll get matching thread, prim needles, and you'll also get a lovely little bicky and cup art there. So the whole set comes together really nicely. So again, make sure you look up the sew along on YouTube for that Marissa top. So that fabric, again, I'll show you up close, really beautiful Van Gogh inspired Etoile Nocturne fabric with that black and purple background. I love the the sketchy look to these. They do look very Van Gogh inspired. I think it's stunning. That one is a gorgeous kit and will come together really nicely. So the third kit, of course, is the Monet's Dream, and this is the Palmer top by Mason Fauve. This one is such a great classic little beginner's pattern. So if you haven't done any blouse sewing and you want something simple, this is a really good option. Now the back has these really interesting sewn down pleats, and it comes together really nicely. So they're on either side. You've got a yoke there with a tie back, and you've got these really, really nice stitched down pleats. The sleeve is again a grown on sleeve, so no setting in sleeves for these two, which is nice and easy. That one is just a regular, nicely faced neckline, nice scoop, and it has almost like a kind of easy, comfortable look to it. That blouse pattern, really, really simple, lovely length as well. So that one, I love this fabric. It is just so, so beautiful. With this kit, you'll get some interfacing, you'll get matching thread, prim needles, you'll get 1.5 meters of fabric, and you'll get a cuppa and a yummy treat as well with that. So really great little kit pattern and very, very simple to make up. So that's the Palmer top. And I love it when it has the tie back. I cannot stand making long skinny ties and having to turn them inside out. So I just folded mine in towards the middle and in half again, and ironed and pressed the long tie and stitched it all down. No, it's really, really simple. If you are, finding it hard with your hands, if you don't like turning things inside out, especially skinny long ties, that's a really simple way to do it. If you want to make it easier when you're sewing down those long pleats, because they go down the whole length of the back, things like your sew line erasable pens are really good. It's sort of there's a felt tip ones or the pen versions, and I love using these with a little ruler, and that way you can get your stitch line nice and perfect. So that's always a really good thing to use. So the fabric for that one, of course, the Monet's Dream viscose is beautiful as well. Really dreamy. Really lovely print. It's just like a little wildflower meadow, isn't it? The colours in that are beautiful, the lilacs and the yellows. So that one is the Monet's Dream box with the Palmer pattern. So of course, kits are all launching tonight, so don't leave it too long because they won't last. We have got limited numbers. So it looks like the next bespoke box will be launching on the 15th. So more details to come for that. So the 15th of Feb will be not this Sunday, not the one after, but the one after that. So it's a short month, and we're going to have it right in the middle of the month. So the destination that we're going to for that box will be announced next week. I'll have plenty more details to come for that. So tonight is all about the kits launching, which is really exciting. But I have got a few things that have just arrived in I think you're going to love. Now, clematis patterns, I've been talking about how we're getting those. We've got the range in. We've got most of it listed. I'm working my way through listing these patterns. Now, most of you will know the clematis patterns is beautiful French brand patterns. People like companies like My Dress Made quite often will use their patterns to showcase the fabrics. So when I found out they were going to be launching paper patterns, I put my hand up straight away and said I'd love to get the whole collection in our store. So beautifully packaged patterns, and they are in French, but of course they have got sew-alongs as well, which are translated, and that's over on YouTube. So each of the patterns, when you open up, has perfect little diagrams, really easy to follow, and you'll have no trouble at all with the translation there. And it's so good to have sew-along. So I'm working my way through listing all of these clematis patterns, but I know you're going to love these because they're so stylish and fashion forward, really beautifully showcased in fabrics. And the My Dress Made fabrics have been restocked. Now, we've restocked the beautiful mocha leopard because we know that a lot of you wanted more of that. And I think a lot of you saw Deb from DB Design actually had the square neck top from Friday Pattern Company, and she was inspired by what she saw on the My Dress Made website with the skirt and the top. But I love this. This is a really lovely viscose poplin. The beautiful lightweight fabric is so nice and cool to wear, but would be stunning in a little two-piece co-ord set. So that one's been restocked. Beautiful Leo viscose flub denim look fabric has arrived. We actually had a pre-order for this last week because I had so many of you putting your hand up wanting some. So it's been very, very popular in store, and I still have some of mine put aside, which I think I'll be making, surprise, surprise, a shirt dress with mine. The Albane, of course, and you'll see the matching pattern, the Albane pattern in the clematis patterns as well in this gorgeous fabric, which is just a stunning little combination. That broderie fabric, or the embroidery on it is just so beautiful. That vintage sort of inspired. It's got a really nice hand feel and a nice weight to it as well. And the last of the Elise, which I made in my Starlight Palmer shirt dress. There's not much of that left because, of course, a lot of it was pre-ordered. So I think we're on our last couple of meters there. So that is going to get snapped up rather quickly. And, of course, the stunning Eden fabric. You'll see that was made in that really pretty, I think it was the Albane top and the blouse, but also a beautiful dress. I'll find out the dress name, and I think it's a clematis pattern as well that the lovely Anne was wearing in that really gorgeous bright floral viscose fabric. So that has all come in. So I hope you have enjoyed seeing the kits with my lovely ladies here launching tonight, the Make It Mine kits for Mason Faux Patterns. I hope you've enjoyed seeing that. And I hope you'll have a wonderful weekend. Maybe you're going to get some sewing time in. And I know a lot of stores are heading in towards getting all their influx of winter or autumn winter fabrics in. We've still got a little bit more kind of seasonally appropriate summer fabrics arriving because it's such a long hot summer here. We've got plenty more warm weather to go, and I know a lot of you are still sewing for the summer weather, but we will be also getting some autumn knits coming in the next month or so, which is really exciting as well. So have a beautiful weekend. We'll catch up with you all very shortly. Don't forget, go and head over to the website, check out the kits we have available, and also our brand new arrivals and clematis patterns. We'll be going through and working on adding those to the website over the weekend because there's lots in that collection. And you can also purchase the kits if you want to add on anything else in the store. You can do that. We're happy to combine it all and send it together for you. If you want to save on postage, it's a great way to do it. So take care, happy sewing. We'll see you all next week. Bye for now.